Yeah, Eli. Yeah, man, what? You don't know. I mean, I'm Tipsy J. You pray. No matter where I'm come from. One thing I need to know. I am a Jamaican. That's how I born. That's how I grow. Alright, so you know. I'm comfortable. If you don't put value to something, something don't have no value. It's like the same effect. Cause and effect. Mind over matter. So if you have something and you put value to it, it'll go have value. But if you have something and you don't put no value to it, it not gonna have value. Well, that leads to you. Cause somebody out there go see it and find value in it. And then after that person find value in it, at that time you go see it and see the value. And now you go see it and say, alright, you have value. Well, guess what? You're late. Because whenever you put the value in it, that person put the value in it. So, the moral of the story is, start value the things them when you got. Start with yourself. Look for yourself in the mirror and tell yourself, say, yo, you know, say, I'm valuable. You know, say, my life worth more than anything else in the world. You know, say, I'm going to do everything to sustain my life. But guess what, go on? Make sure, say, when time you do that, you think about your environment. And another thing, study your environment. Know the people them where you live beside her. Know your neighbor, know your friend. Because if you don't know them, you just not going to know them. You don't live beside each other and know a total stranger. Whenever you don't go so, you all granny up a country and say, me cock a fat. Yo, but a serious thing me I talk about. I'm calm down myself, calm down. Alright, you don't know. Let me tell you something. You see, if you can't value yourself, nobody now go value you. You see, if you can't value the dog who bark at night time and make sure say no thief not step in your yard, think about your character, cause remember, the dog have feelings too. He hungry, he piss, he shit, and he fat. He also reproduce. So let me tell you this. If you now make sure say your dog have somewhere proper for sleep, don't bring a dog come in your yard. If you know say you can't feed that dog, don't bring the dog come in your yard. And if you know say your dog a go bother your neighbor, don't bring the dog come in your yard. Alright, if you have an animal, a pet, you must learn to treat your pet as how you don't treat yourself. Think about it. If every day you get up and you chicky dog, move dog, you dirty dog, you stink, you frownsy, and you not bathe the dog, how the dog go bathe? The dog go get up and go to the bathroom go bathe himself, or go on a standpipe go bathe himself. Hey, let me tell you something, man. Learn to value the things them what you got. You not got a car, you have your 2 foot. If you don't got a car, you're not gonna need to buy a tire. But if you have a pair of foot, you need to have shoes for your foot, right? Alright, if you can't buy a pair of shoes, make sure say you take care of your foot bottom. Cause if you don't take care of your foot bottom not gonna take care of you. The moral of the story is, value what you got.